Hi everyone, how you going? So I thought that I would come on and just do something else for Nina Ribena's Art Journal Prompts and More Facebook group. This month she's doing, February is recycle, reuse, recycle and repurpose. So what I thought, I have got just like a drop sheet piece of paper here, and I thought I might like to just decorate this up a little bit more, put a bit of paint on it and do some stenciling. And I've also got this one piece of magnet that has like a sticky back on it. This part's sticky here, and I just thought that I might like to make some more fridge magnets out of this paper. Like glue a piece of it onto here and then just cut the magnet up. So first of all, I'm going to add a bit more paper. So I'm going to more or less upcycle this paper, and I also made some little stamps out of foam shapes, which I thought was rather cute. My daughter was going to throw these foam shapes out because her kids didn't want to use them. So I've just recycled a little bit of cardboard and just glued the foam shapes onto the bit of cardboard, so they're just easy to use as some stamps. I've got some heart ones, some flowers, some crescent shapes, some stars, some more flowers, little flower in a pot plant, and some hearts and other flowers. So I thought I might like to use those as well. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'll just put them to the side, is I've got my jelly plate here, and I'm going to use the jelly plate for when I want to use the stamps, but right now I'm just going to add a little bit more paint just in spots around the page, and I'll use, what will I use, just a brush I think. Just get an old brush. I'm not sure what part of the page I'm going to use, but that's okay. I'm just going to have a little bit of fun, get some more paint on here, do a bit of stamping. And I also think it's got a little bit of ink spray on it as well. Okay, I'll give that a quick dry. Alright, that's dry enough for me. So now I'm going to just get out some teal green on my jelly plate here, and I'm going to start using some of the little, I'll just get some paper underneath, there we go. I'm just going to start using some of these that I had. So also I've just got a bit of green, teal green on my jelly plate, and I'm just going to press the little stamp onto my jelly plate. and then just press it onto here. And at the same time, I'm actually going to pick up that pattern off the jelly plate. So there it is there. It looks pretty cool. And just do a bit more. So then I've got some painty papers to use to recycle as well. My squeaky chair. Okay, so let's do a little bit of purple. Time I'll do, let's do these, the crescent, like the crescent moon. I should show you what I'm doing here at the side, shouldn't I? I'll do it next time. Okay, so that's that one so far. What have I got there? Something, bit of fibre. Alright, now I'll roll this one off. Well, let's do crimson. I like crimson. So I'll just bring that over a bit so you can see what I'm doing. And I'll do the flower one. So I just press the flowers on top of the jelly plate, get some paint on them. Okay, so there's my flowers. I'm just going to run my brayer over my jelly plate again. That off, and because I just want to put a couple of more flowers on there, so I'm just going to pick up a bit more paint. Just put. Alright, so while I'm in the mood, I am going to get one of my Faber-Castell, oh that's a 2B, I want a bit darker than that. That's a 6B, pardon me, and I'm going to just do a few little scribbles straight over the top of my page. I'm actually writing something, but it's like a secret message. And gonna go, whoops, I didn't want that to happen. I think I need a new piece of punchinella. This one's getting a bit worn out. It's ripping. Okay, that'll do. I'll use this little piece here. And squish some of this all around it. Okay, that punchinella is really, really annoying me, so I will get some more. Here we go. Nice big piece. Still got a little bit of paint on the bottom of it, so I'm just going to press it all down in there. Get most of it off. There we go. Okay, I'm going to just use a plastic card and I've got some white paint still left on here, and I'm just going to put a few lines just all around the place. Oops, sorry. Gosh, I'm having one of them days, aren't I? Hubby goes in for his operation on Wednesday. Oh, we have to go up and he has to see the anesthesiologist tomorrow morning, and then Wednesday he goes back to the hospital for the actual operation. And I think my daughter and grandkids are coming to stay with me Wednesday night here, which will be fun. Just try and stop me from worrying about Richard. They're good like that. Okay, so I've used up most of that white paint on my jelly plate just by putting some lines on there. Looks like a really big hot mess at the moment, but it'll get better, I'm sure. I have confidence in myself. Okay, I've got confidence. Okay, that does look pretty cool. Pretty cool hot mess. Okay. Got some more stencils here. This is the stampersanonymous.com Tim Holtz collection. So I'm going to put a bit of that on, and what other stencil? Okay, I've got some circles here, some larger circles. Might just try those letters up first though. I don't know how many times I've hit that tripod this morning. Circles, and in, might do it in yellow, I think. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is let that have a dry. I don't think I want to put anything else on it, do I? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I do. This one here. So I'm just going to go in with some, what's this one? Yeah, why not? I'm going to try this. It's a red oxide. It's like a browny tanny colour. I'm going to try a little bit of that, I think. I've got a brick one, honeycomb. No, that'll do. Alright, I'll let that have a good dry. It's pretty cool. Just layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. And then I'll come in and do a little bit of details, and then it should be right to put my, where is it? Here it is. My magnet backing on it somewhere. Work out where I want it to go. Okay, now all I'm going to do is use my Signo white and Posca white if I want it, and I don't know what else, we'll see. And I'm just going to go and bring a few of the shapes to the foreground. So I think I might start around here. And I'll do some more of that off camera, but I'm going to also use my white Posca and just put a few dots around the place, and maybe a few lines as well. What else can I put on there? I'll just go around this a bit more. I'm running out of my white Signo. It's getting rather low, but I'll keep using it until it really wants to die on me. Alright, so I've just highlighted a few of the shapes that I've stenciled on here, and more or less just brought them out from the background into the foreground. Foreground? Is that a word? Foreground? Oh dear. Okay. Okay, I've got a couple of just up here. Alright, it's brightened it up quite a lot. So what I'm going to do now is just put a few splatters on there. Get that, and I think I want some black splatter. And I'll wet that and get some white as well. Okay, so all I have to do now is just wait until that dries. Wipe up some of my splatter marks. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so it looks rather busy, just as it is, but I'm thinking that when I actually start to cut up the bits that I want, it's not going to look as busy as what it is at the moment. So I'm thinking I want my piece of magnet just about here on the side. So I'm just going to turn that over, and I'm going to peel this backing off, and I'm also going to put some wet glue on there, some of the craft glue, because I do want it to stay and I'm just going to use that with a blade and just cut that. Is that the sharp one? Yeah. This is the sharp one. And cut that really close to that. Come on off my thingo. Okay, so I've still got all this piece left here, and I'll just cut these off here as well. Okay, so that is my piece of magnet. Now with this one here, I am actually going to cut that up as well into smaller pieces. So that is 15, so maybe 5 and 5, and what's this? 5 by 7. Okay, so that's what we'll do here. I shall do, that's that there. Right. Now, we'll do this at 7. Cut these at 7. Alright, I've got all my magnets cut down to the size that I want them. Just get a piece of paper to put under them to show you. So I've got that one, that one, that one, maybe that way, and then I've got these little ones here. So out of that one sheet I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different size magnets. They all look pretty cool. Now I'm just going to work out what focal point I'd like to have on them, and I shall be right back. I pulled out a little bit of Happy Mail that I had been sent, and I thought maybe I can find a few things in this Happy Mail. I've got some, I have some little hearts sent to me, so I think I might use, I don't know, a couple of hearts. And I've got some butterflies here that I might like to use, and that's pretty. That is pretty, maybe. I don't know. Let's see what else. I've got some leaves that I've put down there already. Have a look else what I've got here. This is like a chipboard piece, maybe there. A button. That looks pretty cool. Some textured paper. I'm not sure about that one. Let's see what else is in here. Some apple stickers. They are pretty cool too. Have a look at that. I like that picture too. Someone cut that out and sent it to me as well. Let's see what else I've got in this little envelope. Oh, some puppy dogs. They're cute. Puppy dog stickers. What else is in here? some buttons, some coloured buttons, stars, what's that? Some other pieces in here. Got some flowers that actually might be a little bit too big, I'm not sure. I'll have a look. And the negative pieces for them. Big heart. I've got some butterflies as well. I'll grab a couple of those. Butterflies. A little polka dot butterfly there. And I like that heart too. Okay, so I'll just quickly pack all these up back into here. I think I've got enough stuff out already. Okay, okie dokie, I've got some things out here now, let me have a look. Now I do like that girl. She might just fit right on one. Let me have a look at this one here. I do like that. So yeah, I might do that, but I'll just trim this down. Oh, is that a sticker? Oh, it is too. Okay, that's even better. So I'll just get a bit of ink and go around that edge. I didn't realise that was a sticker. Hair everywhere. So just going to go around the edge of this, which is a sticker. That is so cool. And I'm going to place the sticker up here in the corner of this one. Yep, just right up in that corner. Don't let it be crooked. I might put some glue on the back of it. So I'm going to put that up in the corner just up there of that one. And I'll just go around the edge of this young lass. Okay, and this one here, I'll just put the glue straight on the back because it's not a sticker. And put her on this magnet there. And she's got that heart behind her. Okay, that looks cool. I like that one. Yep. Okay, so I've got that one there. And what else have we got? Some butterflies. I might put some butterflies on this one. Butterflies down, and I'll just get a little bit of bling and put in the centre of them. Alright, I found my little blingy box. And while I was looking, I found some of those petals as well. Okay, so I have some more little bits and pieces in there as well that I might like to use. Okay, stop looking, just start doing. Alright, so I want some little bling for my little butterflies, and I think I might put some pink on there. Yep, that'll do. So I'll just put a little dab on my butterflies in the centre. And I think just cut 3 . That's 3 done, and I have got quite a bit of glue on there. It will dry clear. I'll just dab that on and press it down and take a little bit extra off. Okay. So that's my 3 butterflies done so far. So those 2 are done. These ones back in here. And what you don't. Okay, so I've got this one here, and I do like that little heart. Just trim that up just a tad. This is like a little chipboard heart that was sent to me, and I'm going to just put a bit of ink around its edges. Okay, so that's 3 decorated so far. Now I've got, what other one? I like that, but I think it might be a bit too dark on the magnets. So this one here, I'm going to put some of these blue hearts on here. And I've got, this is these like bamboo stickers, oops, plus some of the fibre from another project. So I'm thinking the kisses and hugs, yeah, I might put that there. That one done so far. Everything's sticking to me. It's so hot here still. Okay, now this one, I do like that, so I might grab a little bit of twine and thread through those. Okay, so I've got a couple of buttons for this one. So slowly getting them done, all different, it's so cool. Now, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ones, and I have got some of these little adorable little cute puppy dog ones. That one there's cute, so I might use that one there, the 2 little puppies. And I might put a nice apple, nice crunchy apple on this one. This is so cool, because they are going to go on my fridge, and it'll give something for the grandkids to look at They love seeing what magnets I put on the fridge. I put their artwork on my fridge and use the magnets, so they get a kick out of it. Now I've got spotty butterfly, might be on that one there. I've got a leaf which I actually think I might just use on that one, because I'm going to find some words to put on them as well. And what else? And happy. And I'm just going to put this happy one on the last one, I think. So which way do I want that? Up there, I think. That one. Okay, so that's going to go right there. And I'll put this one on there. I might put another butterfly on there. Now all I'm going to do is just go through my little word box here and just pick out some words before I go and just add a few more details on it. Like on this one here, I'm going to just draw on a couple of antennae for the little butterflies. They just looked a little bit naked without them. Yeah, that looks so much better. I like that, that looks good. Alright, so I'm going to go and have a look for some words and I shall be right back. They look so cool, I like them. Okay, I have them finished. These are my little magnets. So there's one. It says creative and kisses and hugs. And I'll just wipe my thumb because I got black all on it. That's a bit better. And there's one of the smaller ones. Always do your best. Then the one with the buttons, harmonious, little butterfly, respect. And on the two little puppies I put baby steps. This one, stay true to you, believe you can. I really like this one. Be radiant. Butterfly, be grateful. And the three butterflies, open your eyes. I went, after I stuck all the little bits down, I went round the edge with a white Posca paint pen on all of them, and then I used my black Stabilo all and went round the actual images on there, and then just went around them with a white Signo. So that's all of them. They turned out so cool. And I've got another lot of magnets for my fridge. Yay, I love them. And it just started out from a bit of drop paper. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my process. And you should go and make some for yourself. Find some of those magnet sheets and just make some. They're a lot of fun. Okay, you all have a great day and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.